what used to take a week to a week and a half of processing to get estimates out and things of that nature, we can turn estimates around in 24 to 48 hours max. If somebody's using Matterport or iGuide because they want the 3D imaging, I get it. You know, it has its place, it has its purpose. But what we found is that we really only need the floor plan, because we're documenting the heck out of our claims anyway. I mean, we take well over 800 to 1,000 photos on most claims. I was blown away at how quickly we were able to capture a property. When I looked at the floor plan and saw that it was precise to what I had just scanned, and the fact that we didn't have to wait 24 hours to get the scan back.
The fact that they could get everything so exact with the boxes in the room, and I was telling John, I'm like, dude, that just saved us hours of just walking around avoiding things in the house. It was just time saver, and that's everything.
We're always about becoming more efficient and delivering a better product and service across the board. And honestly, I believe that this is helping with that 100%.